All right, so today we're going to be doing a deep dive on collagen supplements.
Oh, yeah.
I feel like that's a topic that so many people are curious about.
Absolutely. Yeah.
Like you see the ads everywhere.
Oh, for sure.
Like, do they really work?
Yeah.
We've got some source material here. An article called "Collagen Supplements: The Secret to Healthy Skin and Joints," and like all these guides and benefit breakdowns.
hmm
And we're going to see if those benefits are all they're cracked up to be.
Absolutely.
Especially for skin and joint health.
Yeah. Well, I think it's fascinating how much attention collagen is getting lately.
Yeah.
And for good reason. It's not just a trendy ingredient or anything.
Yeah.
It's actually the most abundant protein in our bodies.
Oh, wow.
So it's really like the scaffolding that holds us together.
Mm.
And it's crucial for skin elasticity, of course, strong bones,
Right.
tendons, ligaments, even our gut lining.
So it's not just about like looking good, it's about our bodies actually functioning properly.
It's
But I'm guessing there's a reason why we're seeing collagen supplements everywhere now.
Yeah, there is a catch.
Okay.
As we age, our natural collagen production starts to decline.
Oh.
Think like mid-20s and onward.
Oh, no.
That youthful collagen factory starts slowing down?
Okay.
So that's where these supplements come in.
I see.
They're aiming to kind of replenish those diminishing stores.
Yeah.
And potentially combat things like wrinkles and joint pain.
Okay, I see where this is going.
Yeah.
Let's start with the skin health.
Okay.
I know that's a big one for a lot of people.
Oh, for sure.
Can these supplements actually help with wrinkles and fine lines?
Right.
Or is that just marketing hype?
Well, think of it this way. Less collagen often means less elasticity and hydration in our skin.
Right.
And what happens then? We start seeing those visible signs of aging.
Mm-hmm.
The idea behind collagen supplements, particularly types I and 3,
Good.
is to replenish those stores and bring back some of that plumpness and bounce.
Yeah.
And there's actually research to back this up.
Oh, really?
One study found that participants taking collagen supplements for 12 weeks saw a significant reduction in wrinkle depth compared to the placebo group.
Wow. A significant reduction.
Significant.
Okay, I'm paying attention now.
Good.
What about the joint benefits, though?
Yeah.
I've heard that collagen can help with aches and pains.
Right.
Especially for people who are active or have joint concerns.
Sure.
What's the science behind that?
Well, collagen is a major component of cartilage,
Okay.
which is essentially the cushioning in our joints as
Right.
we age or if we have injuries.
Yeah,
That cartilage breaks down,
Right.
leading to pain and stiffness.
makes sense.
So the idea is that supplementing with collagen, especially type 2,
Okay.
might help stimulate cartilage regeneration
Uh-huh.
and reduce inflammation. It's
Well-
like giving your joints the building blocks they need to repair themselves.
Okay.
Yeah.
That makes a lot of sense.
Mm.
So collagen supplements could be particularly helpful for athletes or people with conditions like osteoarthritis.
Yeah, it's definitely a promising area of research, especially for conditions like osteoarthritis.
Right.
Studies have shown that type 2 collagen can specifically target cartilage and potentially ease that joint pain.
Okay.
But, and this is important, individual results can vary,
Of course.
and more research is always needed.
Right.
Collagen supplements are not a miracle cure.
Right. Yeah. That's always good to keep in mind.
Absolutely.
Speaking of different types of collagen,
Yes.
our sources mentioned a few.
Yeah.
Can you break down the most common ones found in supplements?
Absolutely. So we've touched on types I and 3 for skin and type 2 for joints.
Right.
Think of it like a collagen buffet,
Okay.
each type offering unique benefits.
So like that.
Type I is the most abundant type,
Okay.
and it's found in skin, tendons, and bones,
Uh-huh.
supporting their structure and strength.
Okay.
Type 3 is often found alongside type I, and it plays a key role in the elasticity of blood vessels,
Mhm.
contributing to overall cardiovascular health.
Oh, wow. I didn't realize it did that too.
Yep. And then we have type 2, our cartilage champion, often recommended for joint-specific concerns.
Okay, that's really helpful.
Mm-hmm.
But I have to admit, walking down the supplement aisle can be overwhelming.
Oh, yeah.
What should people look for when choosing a collagen supplement?
Right.
Our sources mention terms like hydrolyzed
Yes.
and different
Yeah.
sources like marine versus bovine.
Right.
Can you demystify all that for us?
Let's start with hydrolyzed. So you mentioned pre-digested earlier, and that's a great way to think about it.
Okay.
Hydrolyzed collagen has been broken down into smaller peptides, making it easier for your body to absorb and use.
So it's like giving our bodies a head start.
Exactly.
I'm all about efficiency.
Love it.
What about the different sources like marine versus bovine collagen?
Right.
What's the difference there?
So marine collagen derived from fish is thought to be more bioavailable.
Okay. Now, bioavailable means your body can absorb and utilize it more efficiently.
Gotcha.
Bovine collagen from cows is a great source of both type I and 3. So you're getting a combined benefit for skin and joints.
So depending on what you're looking for, one source might be a better fit than the other.
Exactly.
That's good to know.
Yeah.
You mentioned earlier that more research is needed on collagen's effectiveness,
Yes.
which is always a good reminder to be critical consumers.
Absolutely.
What does the existing research say about collagen for both skin and joint health?
Okay, well, let's start with skin.
Okay.
We've seen studies showing positive results,
Yeah.
particularly in improving skin elasticity and hydration.
Okay.
Remember that study we talked about earlier with the reduction in wrinkle depth?
Yeah.
That's one example.
That's pretty impressive.
Uh-huh.
I'm starting to see why collagen is getting so much attention.
Yeah,
What about the research on joint health?
sure.
Are there any promising findings there? Yes. Definitely studies suggest that collagen supplements, especially those with type 2 collagen, can help reduce joint pain and inflammation.
Hmm.
This is particularly promising for people with osteoarthritis,
Right.
where cartilage breakdown is a major issue.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So while it's not a magic bullet,
Right.
there's a growing body of evidence suggesting collagen could be a valuable tool
Absolutely.
for supporting skin and joint health.
I agree.
I'm curious, though, is there anyone who wouldn't benefit from taking collagen? Our sources touched on some myths and facts around these supplements.
Yeah, there's definitely a lot of misinformation out there.
Okay.
One common myth is that collagen supplements are only for older adults.
Yeah, I've heard that too.
Mm-hmm.
Like it's something you only start taking once wrinkles appear or your joints start acting out.
Right, exactly.
Yeah.
But that's not really the case.
Uh-huh.
Collagen can be beneficial at any age. Even younger individuals can use it to proactively support skin health, maintain joint function, or even boost hair and nail growth.
Interesting.
Athletes might find it helpful for joint support and recovery as well.
So it's not just about reversing the signs of aging.
Right.
It's also about supporting your body's natural processes.
Exactly.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
But with so many supplements out there,
Mm.
what makes collagen stand out?
That's a good question.
What makes it unique?
Well, what's unique about collagen is that it addresses two major concerns,
Yeah.
skin and joint health,
Uh-huh.
in a single supplement.
Right.
Plus, you get those bonus benefits for hair, nails, and even gut health,
Oh, wow.
making it a true multitasker.
I love a good multitasker.
Doesn't.
But let's get practical.
Okay.
Are there ways to maximize the effectiveness of collagen supplements?
Absolutely.
Any tips you can share?
Yes. One crucial factor is vitamin C.
Okay.
It plays a key role in collagen synthesis.
Uh-huh.
So you want to make sure you're getting enough.
Okay.
You can do that through your diet with vitamin C-rich foods, or you can consider a separate vitamin C supplement alongside your collagen.
So they work better together like a dynamic duo.
Exactly.
Okay.
And another crucial tip, stay hydrated.
Right.
Collagen thrives in a well-hydrated body.
Yeah.
So make sure you're drinking plenty of water throughout the day.
Okay.
This helps your body absorb and utilize the collagen more effectively.
Great advice.
Thank you.
This has been so informative. I'm already feeling more empowered to make informed decisions about collagen.
I'm glad to hear that.
But before we wrap up this part of our deep dive, is there anything else about collagen supplements that you find particularly interesting, something our listeners should know?
What I find most fascinating is how collagen bridges the gap between beauty and overall wellness. You know, it's not just about erasing wrinkles.
Right.
It's about supporting the fundamental building blocks of our bodies aging gracefully, both inside and out.
Right.
And that resonates with people of all ages and lifestyles.
I love that perspective.
Mm-hmm.
It's not about vanity. It's about taking a holistic approach to health.
Absolutely.
And speaking of a holistic approach, I have to ask, if collagen is like so beneficial for us,
Right.
why don't we just get enough of it through our diet?
Mm-hmm.
Why do we need supplements?
That's a great question. While we can find collagen naturally in foods like bone broth,
Okay.
chicken skin, and fish,
Right.
it's not always easy to get enough through diet alone,
Yeah.
especially as we age and our body's production slows down.
Right.
Plus, the collagen in food needs to be broken down and absorbed,
Yeah.
which isn't always efficient.
So supplements provide that like more concentrated, readily available source of collagen
Exactly.
our bodies can use.
Yeah. They offer a convenient way to boost your intake, especially if you're not getting enough from food sources.
Okay, that makes sense. But I'm also wondering about the potential downsides.
Sure.
Are there any risks or side effects
Yeah.
associated with taking collagen supplements?
As with any supplement, it's always best to proceed with caution. And consult with your healthcare provider.
Of course, always.
This is especially important if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medications.
Right.
They can give you personalized advice based on your individual situation.
Yeah, it's always good advice.
Absolutely.
But in general, are there any common side effects people should be aware of?
Collagen is generally considered safe for most people.
Right.
However, some individuals might experience mild digestive discomfort,
Okay.
like bloating or heartburn,
Uh-huh.
especially when they first start taking it.
So start slow and see how your body reacts.
Exactly. Listen to your body. If you experience any adverse reactions, stop taking it and talk to your doctor.
This has been so insightful.
Yeah.
We've covered the science of collagen,
Mm-hmm.
the potential benefits for skin and joint health,
Yeah,
and even how to choose the right supplement.
absolutely.
But before we wrap up our deep dive,
Yeah.
I want to go back to something you mentioned earlier.
Okay.
Collagen's potential benefits for gut health. This is something I'm really interested in.
Yeah, it's a fascinating area, and it's getting a lot of attention lately.
Yeah?
Gut health is incredibly important for overall well-being,
Uh-huh.
and it turns out that collagen plays a role there too.
Tell me more. How does collagen actually benefit our gut?
Well, think back to what we discussed earlier.
Okay.
Collagen is a building block for many tissues in our body.
Right.
This includes the lining of our digestive tract.
Ah.
It helps maintain the integrity of the gut barrier,
Okay.
which is essential for preventing something called leaky gut.
Leaky gut. That doesn't sound good.
It's not ideal. Basically, leaky gut is a condition
Yeah.
where the lining of your gut becomes more permeable than it should be,
Uh-huh.
allowing undigested food particles and toxins to leak into your bloodstream.
So collagen helps keep everything sealed up tight and
Precisely.
they're working properly.
A healthy gut lining is so important for
Wow.
nutrient absorption, immune function, and even mental health.
It's amazing how everything is connected.
It really is.
So taking collagen could potentially improve digestion,
Mm-hmm.
reduce inflammation in the gut,
Yep.
and maybe even support a healthy microbiome.
That's the theory. There's still a lot of research to be done in this area.
Right.
But early studies suggest that collagen peptides can be beneficial for gut health.
Okay.
For example, one study found that people with inflammatory bowel disease who took collagen supplements
Yeah.
experienced a reduction in their symptoms.
Wow, that's really encouraging.
It is.
You know, this whole deep dive has got me thinking about the future of collagen research.
Right.
What other areas are you particularly excited about?
Ooh, that's a good question.
What are some of the emerging trends or potential applications we might see down the road?
One area that I find particularly fascinating is the potential of collagen in regenerative medicine.
Oh, wow.
Scientists are exploring its use in wound healing,
Okay.
tissue engineering, and even bone regeneration.
That sounds almost futuristic.
Yeah, it's really cutting edge.
So we could potentially see collagen being used to repair damaged tissues
Mm-hmm.
and even grow new ones.
It's still early days, but the possibilities are incredibly exciting.
Yeah.
Imagine being able to use collagen to help heal burns more effectively,
Right.
or to create scaffolds for growing new organs.
That would be revolutionary.
It would.
Are there any other areas of research that have caught your eye?
Another area of interest is personalized collagen supplementation.
Mm-hmm.
As we learn more about individual genetic variations and lifestyle factors,
Right.
we might be able to tailor collagen recommendations to specific needs and goals.
So it's not a one-size-fits-all approach.
Exactly.
We could potentially have collagen supplements designed for specific age groups, health conditions, or even athletic performance.
Yeah, it's about moving away from generic recommendations and toward a more personalized approach that takes into account individual needs and goals.
That's incredible.
It is.
I'm really excited to see how this field continues to evolve and what new discoveries we can expect in the years to come.
Absolutely, me too.
This deep dive has definitely opened my eyes to the potential of collagen.
I'm glad to hear that.
But before we conclude, is there anything else you want to leave our listener with? Any final thoughts or insights?
If I could leave our listener with one key takeaway, it would be to remember that collagen is more than just a beauty buzzword.
Right.
It's a fundamental building block of our bodies,
Yeah.
supporting everything from our skin and joints to our gut and overall health.
Right.
While more research is always welcome, the evidence we have suggests that collagen supplements can be a valuable tool for promoting healthy aging and well-being.
I love that.
Yeah.
It's about understanding the bigger picture and the crucial role that collagen plays in our bodies.
Yeah.
And it's about empowering ourselves to make informed decisions about our health.
Absolutely.
So maybe, like, instead of asking, do collagen supplements work?
Mm-hmm.
The better question is, like, Could collagen supplements work for me?
Yeah, that's a great way to frame it.
Yeah.
It's all about understanding, your individual needs, health goals, and lifestyle.
Right.
Are you primarily interested in supporting skin elasticity? Are you trying to manage joint pain?
Yeah.
Or maybe you're focused on improving your gut health?
Right.
Those are all important considerations when deciding if collagen supplementation is right for you.
And as always, like talking to your healthcare provider is a great place to start.
Absolutely.
They can help you assess your individual needs and see if collagen supplements fit into your overall health goals.
Exactly. And they can consider, any potential interactions with medications you might be taking and offer personalized guidance.
This has been such an insightful conversation.
Oh, good. I'm glad.
I feel like we've gone from like collagen curious to collagen confident in just one deep dive.
I love that.
That's exactly what we hope for.
Yeah.
To provide you with the knowledge you need to make informed decisions about your health and well-being.
Absolutely.
Well, I definitely feel more informed and honestly a little bit excited about the possibilities. And speaking of possibilities, I have a feeling you might be interested in learning even more about collagen.
Oh, always.
Maybe we could do a future deep dive exploring like specific types of collagen in more detail,
Sure.
or even comparing different brands and what to look for.
Yeah, that's a fantastic idea. There's always more to explore, and I'm happy to dive deeper into the world of collagen and share these insights with you.
Perfect. Until then, keep those collagen questions coming,
Absolutely.
and we'll see you in our next deep dive.
Sounds great.